Cash advance apps that do not impact your credit score are designed around account activity and repayment information instead of traditional credit checks, but each app has its own approval process and requirements. By the end, you'll know how these apps usually work, what to check before requesting an advance, and which details matter when choosing an option that fits your situation. The main difference between cash advance apps and traditional loans is how eligibility is determined. Many cash advance apps focus on factors like account activity, income deposits, or other financial information, instead of using a standard credit score. This means checking your credit report may not be the main part of the approval process. However, you still need to review the app's requirements because every service has different rules. The first thing to check is how the app explains eligibility. Look for information about account connections, income requirements, repayment conditions, and any other steps needed before you can request money. The second thing to check is the cost. A cash advance app may not affect your credit, but that does not mean every option is free. Review any fees, optional charges, or transfer costs before accepting an advance. Repayment is another important detail. Cash advances are designed to be repaid, so check when repayment is expected and make sure the schedule works with your budget. You should also review how the app handles your financial information. Before connecting a bank account, check what data the app collects and what permissions it requires. Another useful step is comparing different apps based on transparency. A reliable service should clearly explain how users qualify, how money is delivered, and how repayment works. Testing the app before committing is also helpful. Review the available features, read the terms, and understand the full process before requesting an advance. Cash advance apps can help with short-term financial gaps, but they should be used carefully because the repayment still needs to fit your finances. The best way to compare these apps is to focus on three things: eligibility rules, total costs, and repayment terms. Those details matter more than whether the app advertises quick access. Before choosing a cash advance app, review the requirements, understand the fees, and confirm the repayment schedule. These steps help you make a more informed decision. If this guide helped you understand cash advance apps, subscribe for more practical reviews of financial apps and online tools.